Hi guys, today we are making some eggless buttermilk scones. Start off by sifting together the flour, baking powder and salt. Now add in your margarine, and you are going to need to use your hands to mix this such that it forms crumbs. Next add in the sugar and mix this in. Add the vanilla essence to the buttermilk and mix. Add this to the dry ingredients and mix to form a dough. Once you have a soft enough dough, roll this out to about 8mm thickness. Cut them out with a tumbler or with a scone cutter. Brush them with some buttermilk and bake at 180 degrees for between 12 and 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys.